touching the beautiful nature in such a beautiful world teaches me to live anew, so I have shared some video clips of traveling with my YouTube friends. So if I have one request from my YouTube friends, if you like my video clips, subscribe and stay with me. As soon as the video is uploaded, the videos go to your notification option so that you